Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just wanna quickly here show you what I'm using for my tuning. So over here I've got my PCS one. Let's go from this angle right here. It's called Park Tool USA. So this is this high quality stand that I use for my tuning. I'm gonna just zoom out here and show you. And you can also adjust this handle right here so the bike can go this way. I also have the clamp, so I'm gonna show you from here. I also have the clamp, so if I release this thing, the bike will just fall out. So just wanna show you what I'm running over here. Now keep in mind, this is the stand, pretty nice, and it's got the legs. So it has one side here, one side on this way. And keep in mind, this is the older version, but I really like. Now there's also a switch here. I'm gonna quickly show for the adjustment. You can move this and it will release the bike, and you can go high, you can go low. And I think I talked about this. This is also gonna be if you move it this way, see now, I hope it will turn. You can rotate the bike. You can rotate the bike this way. It's very nice. Let's see, it's still locked, but you get the idea. Oh, here you go, see? So the bike can move this way, and it's a very nice feature. I'm gonna just tighten it, see, like this. Now tighten, secured, and now your bike will stay in one place. So this is my really handy PCS one. Again, that's the model number right there. I'm also using the Park Tool screwdriver, and I also have my multi-tool Park Tool that I also use for my small adjustments. Over here, I'm just doing the adjustment of front derailleur, so that everything works fine. And I'm also doing the rear derailleur adjustment on this bike, and everything seems to be, I'm gonna just show you quickly here. Beautiful. Everything seems to be functioning perfectly. So this is basically the PCS one. I think this is called Deluxe, Park Tool Deluxe. I will put a link in the description when you can buy one on Amazon through my affiliated link, which will give you the access to this stand right here. I'm gonna go again and just want to show you, see, so you have a really sturdy legs that support this one. I'm gonna just tilt it. So if I tilt, it is very sturdy. Definitely the professional tool that you want to get for your bike shop in case if you want to buy one. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.